Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, August 12th. What's up? Why are you watching? Because we go over news, we go over chart patterns, we go over support and resistance levels that can help you with your trading before the market starts or before your day starts. So, what's going on with news? Well, forexfactory.com is our source for news. At 8:30 this morning, we had core CPI month over month, which came in as expected. Core CPI year over year came in at 2.5% as expected, and CPI month over month came in at 0.1% as expected. CPI year over year came in at 3.4% as expected. So the big answer here is as expected. Therefore, the market loved it because that means the Fed is unlikely to raise rates. So the market is up after this revelation. So all good. Even though this is a positive number, all of these numbers are positive numbers, which means inflation is still around and breathing. The thing is it's just not increasing. It's staying the same. Still very bad. But the market is more concerned about the Fed than it is about the actual inflation rate. 10:30, we have crude oil inventories. 1:01 p.m., we have the 10-year bond auction. 2 p.m., we have federal budget balance, and that is it for the day. So moving on, looking at charts. Looking at the daily chart, we continue to stay in this flagging pattern. Overall, a bull flag pattern is bullish. We are above the moving averages. So we can say we are still long-term, short-term, and medium-term all up. Maybe short term is getting a little sideways, but still on the up. Again, the biggest thing that's concerning me is volume. You can see it is way below average. So there's just no volume here at the end, in the middle of August. We'll see if this picks up once we get into September. Taking a look at the inventory from yesterday, negative inventory on negative price action. So those are correlated, not worried about it. Looking at the overnight action, approximately 40 points, and you can see a big chunk of that was here at 8:30 when the CPI number came out. And it initially there was a little bit of uh-oh, and then they said, the Fed's not going to do anything. So that's what created the big spike up and the continuation of that move. Where do we have support and resistance? So we've got some resistance up here at 77.96, 7,800 being the whole number. Above that, 78.13, 78.20. Where do we have support? We've got some support, a little gaggle of stuff here. That's around, I want to say it's between 77.50 and 77.56. So there's a little zone there of support. Get below that, 77.38. 77.32, a little bit of confluence around 77.22, 77.06, of course, the whole number 7,700. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 47.6 chance the market will be up, which is a negative bias, basically a 53% chance the market will be down. That's all I've got for you today. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. And remember to subscribe and like. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.